guys, I went to a bike accessory shop here in Chembur and I got a charger along with a mobile holder. It's a kind of combination, and I did not install there because he was asking me a lot of money to install that, but I will get it done from my own mechanic where I frequently do the small things. So just now I met a subscriber when I was buying at the accessory shop, and for the first time I met not for the first time but for the second time I met a subscriber. So I was kind of very happy because अच्छा लगता है when somebody is your follower and he meets you, and अच्छा लगता है when he greets you, welcomes you. So friends, I have finally installed the mobile holder. You can see that I am just testing it. How is the stability? Hope you can see this mobile holder, and it comes with a charger too. So I got it for 1000 rupees, and the overall build is good. And as I said, it has a charger also, so something 2.5 volt is the capacity. I haven't seen it properly. I guess it's 2.5, 0.5 or 5, I don't know. I'll check and let you know. And I have also got few rubbers to hold, extra rubbers that holds the mobile. And what I see is Ninja 1000 RR. Until now it's pretty stable. I don't see any issues, and the connection goes from here, from inside, and the electricals are over here. He didn't had to open the fairing of the bike or the headlight assembly of the bike, so everything was quite visible outside and he did it. So thanks to TVS for providing all the electricals on the go, and it really helped and saved time. Also, we don't like it when somebody opens the headlight assembly. So if you can see, it can be moved any way around, and we have the option to tighten it over here. Also I've got a band like this, so we'll have to so if you see, it's all done now, and I can use my mobile on the go. So this is where I have installed it. So it's one piece over here, and we have got a screw over here. If you lose it, then this ball over here and the ball beneath will loosen up, and then we have to just open the screw and we have to tighten the screw. लगाने के बाद we have to just tighten the screw, and we are good to go then. So it was very easy to install, and the wire goes from here to here, and we have a pouch over here that has all the wires. So it was all mechanics work then. he removed some wire and he just attached it with it, and when this is on it will start, and when this is off it will go off. So this is all about this charging and the mobile mount. Hope you like it. So it says 5 volt and 2 ampere, so it's a 5 volt 2 ampere charger, and if you see there is light coming up over here, that means the electricity is passing and it will surely work for the charger. I have to review how much time does it take to charge the full battery, and I will let you know later when I will do an in-depth review on this. So until then, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you like this video, and I really hope that you will subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done it, and do hit the bell button, and also do check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, Sandy's World. Bye bye.